Hello geeks, welcome to another video of Code with Vamp. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today we are gonna learn about how to decompile an APK file, that is converting an Android file, that is APK file, to its source file. The name of the tool is APK tool, which is used for reverse engineering on APK file. Now it has great importance in forensic and pen testing. We will start with the basics today, and in the upcoming video we will see how to use this tool for hacking and forensics. Now the best part about this APK tool is in your Kali Linux APK tool is pre-installed, so nothing to worry about installing feature. You just have to open your terminal, and let me make it bigger for you. So we will start with the manual of APK tool. So just type here man, then APK tool here, hit enter. Now you can see all the details in the manual of APK tool. If the APK tool has been already installed in your Kali Linux, then you will get to see all the details here. If it's not installed, then you have to explicitly install. But if you are using the updated version of Kali Linux in your computer, then nothing to worry about installing. So you can see here APK tool hyphen tool for reverse engineering Android APK files. Okay, so these are all the functions commands you can use. So we will start with the basic usage here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to perform a decompile on APK file. So let's go to our downloads. I hope I have got an APK file there. And then ls. Okay, so here we have an APK file arogya.apk. If you are from India, you will definitely know about Arogya Setu application. That's an Android application to trace the coronavirus. So we are going to decompile this APK file using our tool, that is APK tool. Now in order to use this APK tool, what you have to write here, you have to just type APK tool, and after that you have to just write D for decompile or decode, and then you have to give the path and the name of your APK file. So it's in root, and then downloads, and the name of the file is arogya.apk. I know that what you are thinking, I am in the download section, that then why I'm giving the path here. But it's okay, just to demonstrate you that if you're in another section and you have to give the name of the file, you have to just attach the path also. Okay, now after that what you have to write hyphen o, that is for output file, and where you want to produce your output with the name of the file. So I want the output on desktop, so desktop here, and the name of the file would be like result, and then hit enter. And you can see here we have a folder named as result here, and it's still working. It will take some time. Okay, so the work is done here. We will open our result folder and see, and you can see here we have our XML file here, Kotlin file, and then every source file here. Now if you are good in Android language, you know what these files are. So let me open one of the file for you. It's a XML file here, and what you can do with this particular file, you can see here we can see all the permissions of this Android APK, Bluetooth, and then Bluetooth admin, and then location, network state, internet, and everything. Okay, so these are the things we can do after the decompiling procedure. Let me see if I have one or more APK files so that I can decompile it for you, and you will get more idea about it. Okay, so here I have one more APK, it's primenet.apk. So I will just write the command again, and I have to make some changes here. Instead of arogya.apk, I will write here so prime net. Okay, so n is capital here, so primenet.apk, and and I have to change the output result name as result2. Okay, and then hit enter. Now you can see here we have another folder by the name of result2. If you open this folder, you will see all the XML file and every class file here and original and everything here. You can just go and check it out. I'm damn sure that this is not pretty hard for you guys. You can just pick up any APK file and you can perform this decompile procedure using this tool. You can try this at your home. So make a try, and we will meet in the next video with another tool. If there is some tool that you want me to explain or you don't know how to use it, you can just write in the comment box. I will make a video for you guys. So let's close this session here. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay curious, stay protected.